Up top, everybody, it's GPEX Alarm 101 from Life Safety Signaling Design, and today I bring to you, after quite some time, System Test 20. I am recording with a new phone. Unfortunately, the quality is not great. It's about the same as my other iPod, although this time I have a viewfinder, so this time I shouldn't worry about anything being in frame. So, let's go ahead and jump right into the test, because I have been waiting a while to do this, and I've finally got some time on a Sunday morning before I go to church. So, right here I have the Myricom MS501 ADU. Why is it here? Because it's a fairly easy pull station to use, and I like it. Like it a lot. It's very simple, and it is durable too. That's why I have it by this store. If we move up, we have the System Sensor SW. Sorry I'm shaky, I'm just always shaky. We have the SW there in all its glory. Gotta say, the SW, I'm kind of growing on it a little bit more. I mean, remote strobes are kind of boring, but this, it actually looks really nice in my room right there. Even on a back box, it still looks nice, so I might keep it there for a while. But over to the left, we have the ESL 541NB, a detector that you guys have seen before, and you'll get to see me use it today. I will be testing this, and I will be testing this over here. We'll be testing the BG12 LSP, which is in awful condition. The lock is missing, the tab is cut, all that. I will not be sending this pull station out to the person I sent it to get the lock out. Will not be doing that. Anyway, also, and this is my fault, the spring is broken on the inside. Y'all know this from a long time ago. I broke the spring in this. Anyway, and the annunciator is the same as it has been. The thing about the annunciator, though, is it's really fast. I like it. Now, on the ceiling, we have the LED exceeder. This time we are using the horn in it, so you will get to see the LED exceeder give you some action today. It's set to 15 candela, and the advance is set to 1575. So, without any further ado, I should mention, unfortunately the panel is still unfinished. I have not had time to finish the panel. I still need to get a few parts to, like some hot glue, and I need to get some hookup wire so that I can solder all this stuff in and solder the LEDs. And it's just a mess of stuff that's left to do. All it is just the interface stuff. The panel works great, though. Like, it works fantastic. So, now without any further ado, I'm going to take the keys out of this because I'm not going to be using this today, since you guys have seen me use that so many times frequently. Let's go ahead and we will start with the BG12 LSP. And the neat thing about not having the spring in there is that it self-resets. So, note, these two strobes will not synchronize because of the delay in the LED. This is the closest they get. Come on. There we go. That took a while. The LED exceeder is really picky about the sync protocol, so I will have to fix that. But normally it doesn't do that. That's weird. Anyway, you have to hit it like right on the button when the LED exceeder feels like being silenced. It's kind of weird. I don't like it, but whatever. You can see it says Event Fire Alarm Zone 3, and you can see that there's a little SIL in the corner. That indicates that it is silenced. And then if I had the LEDs over here, the alarm, the silenced, and the power LED would all be lit up. The only one that wouldn't be lit up is the trouble LED, which I have the power. The order of the LEDs goes from the bottom is power, this one is alarm, this one is trouble, and the top one is silenced. And silence comes on when there's a trouble, or there's when you've silenced a trouble, or when there's an alarm condition that's been silenced. So now I'll reset this, since I don't need to reset the pull station as it reset itself. By the way, there's what the screen says when it's in standby mode. It says LSSD Productions, and then it says, instead of System Normal, I decided to put something fun up there. I'm ready for action. And then it says MapWorks version 0.2.1. I have been working on the software recently. I need to update the number over there in the corner though. Anyway, now let's go ahead and grab a magnet from up there. And we will go up here and we're going to test the ESL detector. I don't know how well this is going to go. Oh, I got it. There we go. That takes quite some time. I will definitely be working on that. That is really weird. Yeah. And there's the Advance and the Exceeder, which I have longed to put both of these up for a while. Yeah. Also, I'm going to hide my phone number there, but I have these operating instructions for the control panel, and I have them over here for the annunciator too. ANC 2000W is the model of this, and you can see I used to have it hanging right there and it would say unfold for instructions, but you can see I got all the operating instructions there for anyone who needs them if I'm not home in the system alarms. Now let's reset the system. And this one gives the model number. It says ANC 2000W, status normal. You know, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I had intended to upload quite some time ago, System Test 20, but I just really hadn't gotten there yet. Christmas season is coming up though, and I will be definitely asking for parts so that I can finish this. I'm also going to be asking for some other stuff this year. I don't need more stuff, but at the same time, it's kind of fun it gives me something to do for the year. This has been a project that I've been working on all year, and it has been quite the project, I gotta say. It's been well worth all the time and money spent on it. So, I mean, it's a really nice panel if you think about it. It's a really featured conventional panel. It's got sync options, which I still have to fix. It's got all kinds of coding options. It's got mapping. I mean, this is the ultimate, I guess you could call it a beginner's panel. Ultimate beginner's guide for fire alarms. This panel. And I mean, it lasts a while too, because I've put this through some condition tests, and it has definitely passed them with no issues. The only button, by the way, that works right now is System Reset, which is the big button on the right. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this rather long video, at least long for me. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.